All right, moving to section D for steering. So D1, this is another common one that gets marked on the road test. General steering. So it says to be successful, maintain control of the steering wheel. Refer to steering in the Learn to Drive Smart Guide. Avoid angling the car or the wheels to the left when waiting to turn left. So when you're coming up to an intersection to make a left turn, if something is impeding your movement, for example, oncoming traffic, or there is pedestrians using the crosswalk on the left-hand side, and you end up having to wait in the waiting position at the intersection, we cannot angle the car or the wheels to the left when waiting to turn left, okay? And similarly, if you're waiting somewhere, you can't just let go of the steering wheel and rest. So your hands have to be on the steering wheel while the car is in gear. D2, other. So this is for any other steering errors not listed in the section. And D3, steering wheel position. So turn your front wheels in the appropriate direction when parked on a hill. Do not initiate a turn with one hand on the inside of the steering wheel, so no underhand steering. And D4, weight transfer for motorcycles. And while in motion, keep your feet on the foot pegs and maintain a proper riding position. So the ones that I see very often on the test getting marked is D1 and D3. So be on the lookout, making sure you haven't got into any bad driving habits where you're palming the steering wheel, or you're grabbing from inside the steering wheel, or you're letting go at the intersection and resting, or you're not angling your car or the wheels to the left while waiting to turn left at an intersection. You should only start turning left when it's actually time to go. So don't preemptively turn the steering wheel to the left.